How to prove 1 equal to 2? First of all, let us assume that x equal to y. Let this be equation number 1. Multiply on both sides with y. So xy is equal to y square. Now multiply with minus 1 on both sides. So minus xy is equal to minus y square. Add x square on both sides. So x square minus xy is equal to x square minus y square. Now here x is the common factor, so this can be written as x into x minus y, that is equal to x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So here x minus y is the common factor, so we can cancel that. So x equal to x plus y. From equation number 1, x equal to y. So this can be written as x equal to x plus x, that is equal to 2x. So x equal to 2x. So we can cancel x here. So 1 is equal to 2. Now we all know that 1 is not equal to 2. So where is the problem here? Pause the video and think for a while. So here is the problem. Here in this step, we got a common factor here, x minus y, and we cancel that. Actually, from equation number 1, x is equal to y. So x minus y is equal to 0. And we cancel 0 here. Actually, we cannot cancel 0. It is like this. We can write 1 into 0 is equal to 2 into 0. And we are cancelling this 0. That should not be done. So there is a problem here. So 1 is not equal to 2. Thanks for watching this video.